In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 10 Lightroom presets. So let's get started with this video. What's up guys, and if before you continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And just remember to turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I drop a video. Now with this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 10 of my favorite Lightroom presets. These are presets that I use all the time on most of my Instagram photos. I use them from time to time. They work very well in almost every lighting condition. Most lighting condition, they work very well. There are presets here that work great indoors, outdoors, whatever you want. So these presets are tailored to work mostly with dark skin. They also work with other skin tones as well, but they are mostly made for dark skin. So you guys have been asking for a dark skin presets a lot of times, so I finally give you guys this preset. Now to celebrate the launching of these presets, I'm going to be giving you guys preset at 50% off for a limited time. So the presets are available on Etsy. The link is in the description below, the very first link in the description below. You can get the preset at 50% off. They're only $5 right now, so you can get the preset, download them, and have fun with them. So I'll just be showing you guys some of the presets in this video, and show you some other images I've used this preset on, so you can get an idea of the preset, what they look like and how they work. So in this right here is my vintage preset. This was the preset that I used originally with this image, and it's included in the pack. I was actually contemplating on giving this particular preset, but I was like, you guys deserve this, so I'll be giving you one of my favorite presets. This is a before and after of this image with this preset. It is before and after, so it's a very clean and nice preset. It's easy on the skin. You can get that as well as part of the preset pack. This is another vintage preset as well. This one is also gives it that clean look as well, but this one is almost similar, but it has more of green tones. You can use it mostly with images that have a lot of greens as well. And then another preset I like is the Mystic preset. This is more of a desaturated type of preset with some kind of blue highlights as well. It has a really very cool vibe. It gives you this moody vibe, as you can see. So it's a really great preset you can use for your image to give it a cool moody vibe. So most of these presets, all you have to do is just adjust your exposure and your shadows to fit the image. If you want it to be brighter, you can adjust the exposure. If you want it to be darker, you can adjust the shadows as well. And for my mobile users, I'm going to be launching this same preset pack for mobile users as well. So if you're a mobile Lightroom user, I'll be making a preset pack special for Lightroom mobile users, so watch out for that as well. So these presets, so these are just some of the presets that are in this pack. There are a bunch of other awesome presets, 10 presets in this pack that are available. So they are available on Etsy at 50% off, so you can get those presets as they are on sale right now. That's all for this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this and for more awesome presets, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.